This year, a landmark year for ITWeb and for the information security industry at large. Johannesburg Summit running from the 6th to the 7th of June at Sandton Convention Centre. We're expecting over 650 IT professionals in attendance. At the Cape Town Summit, which runs on the 15th of June at Century City Conference Centre, we're expecting over 350 professionals to attend. We've secured over 40 information security vendor brands that are going to be represented on the exhibition show floor in Joburg. We have over 20 brands that are represented on the Cape Town exhibition floor. In the afternoon, we've got 4 tracks covering over 26 topic areas within the focus of information security. I'm going to take you inside for a sneak peek into ITWeb's offices of the team that's behind all of the action and preparation. We've got some really great new initiatives from sponsors this year. They're serving bubble waffles at their stands. We've got drinks being served at the sponsor stands. We've got different interactive games. We've got spin and win. Really an opportunity for you to get involved in the summit, maximize your time there. We've got an urban cafe serving specialty coffees for the duration of the summit. We have a dedicated business matchmaking lounge where you can actually conduct your one-on-one meetings with prospects through broadcasting live content throughout the summit on the exhibition show floor. In the time that I've spent sharing all of the exciting features of this year's summit with you, do you know that at least 3 cyber attacks have taken place? Security strategies are certainly not a nice to have anymore. They're a must have for your organization to survive. This year really is a summit you can't afford to miss out on.